How old are you?
My age 25 and your?
Oh my God, you're so too young.
I am younger than you, I know. How old are you?
30?
30?
Yes.
Oh,
30,
no
30.
yes, 5 year difference.
Hmm? 5 years gap. It's too young for me.
Yeah,
What do you do in your life?
I'm study and with work. And you?
What? What?
Work. I'm working.
Our,
Yes.
our work.
Yeah.
What
I'm
kind of
I'm
work?
study and with work. And you?
What kind of work?
Hmm?
What kind of work?
Sorry?
What kind of work do you
Oh,
do?
I have a shop. One shop. I am barber.